So how to do the marketing and branding? There are two types averagely. Is like basically you do the commercial branding. If you got finance and funding, you can do the online commercial branding, or you can use guerrilla marketing. What is guerrilla marketing? Basically it is a low cost marketing, or it is free marketing. And what are these guerrilla marketing techniques? There are a lot of online videos are available. The first video is by Patrick Bet David on Valuetainment channel. He explains about different guerrilla marketing. Vikbindra also explains a lot of guerrilla marketing or low cost marketing. Although these examples are from different industry from the than the healthcare industry, but it will give a good food to your mind, and you can think like that, and you can invent your own marketing technique. Like watching these videos helped me, and I have invented my own marketing technique, and I wanted to be little creative in that. So commonly people use patient scams or educational webinars. Now we can see that a lot of people are doing online webinars for the patient and for the therapist, or you can do teleconsulting, or you can help your patient providing the safety gears like mask, headgear with the brand name printed on it. That will also help you in creating your brand. Or you can use online case study videos, or you can conduct workshops. Not only this time, usually people use this kind of techniques for brand building, like conducting workshop or organizing workshops or conferences. Or you can do blogging. A lot of blogs are free blogs that will also help you in creating good marketing. Like I started my blogs writing since 2007. So there are a lot of population which is coming on my blogs also. Or you can use social media. You can use all these social media account to advertise yourself and your work. So all these low cost marketing strategies are very effective. I will give some of the example what I used in my clinic for last few years. So like I used t-shirts, then trophies. These are the napkins with the brand, or the carry bags, or backpacks. And I also used vouchers, like in this vouchers are given to students or therapists with some discount offer on that, so that whenever there is a new workshop or some lecture is going to come, the people can use this. And I use these trophies to appreciate people. Like these t-shirts, I used to give this t-shirt to patients. I used to conduct a lot of festivals. I call that exhibit festival of patients victory celebration. So after 3-4 months, we used to collect everybody, and we used to publicly display the patients statistics, and show everybody how the patients were previously doing and what they are doing right now, what are the efforts they are putting. And those patients who did very good in last few months, we used to appreciate them with providing this t-shirt publicly. These t-shirts are also been awarded to, this is one of the t-shirt given to my patients. And a written note is also given to the patient as well as the team member. So we use a lot of this kind of awards to staff also. Uh, the t-shirts was basically given to only people who did something extraordinary in the team. These t-shirts are not uniforms. It is not compulsory for them to wear. They only get t-shirt when they do something extraordinary in the clinic, or they add value to the clinic. Then only they get these t-shirts. So whenever somebody is wearing the t-shirt, everybody knows that this guy must have done something good in the team. That is why he got the t-shirts. And then you can appreciate with these certificates also. We have given a lot of certificates like this to the patient as well as the therapist. So this is the example of the appreciation certificate to one of the team members. We had also started a GB School Neuro Rehab scholarships for the students of all students of Maharashtra. Basically, this was the scheme launched for all the colleges of Maharashtra. Anybody who gets topper in neuro subject in final year BPT was awarded with this scholarship. They got the scholarship certificate, a bag, GB School trophy, and a cash prize. So this was very good brand building technique in the colleges. or you can conduct workshops based on your skill and your talent. You can conduct workshop on different things. I used to conduct a lot of workshops or arrange workshop on neuro, and we had also arranged a lot of workshops on entrepreneurships to train people in physiotherapists how to do the business. So these are the some of the workshops. And during this workshop, I appreciated the people who are already started their own clinic or they started with the business. And we also appreciated few people who started clinics in rural area, because a lot of people only stay in urban areas, but very few people go back to the rural area and start their own clinic. So few people were also appreciated for that efforts. And all these entrepreneurship seminar gave a platform to showcase and advertise your work, and people can learn from each other. My habit is that whatever I do good in that thing, I always share with everybody. I was good in neuro, so I started sharing concept about neuro. I was good in aquatic, then I started concept about sharing concept about aquatic. I did a good business, so I started sharing about business. And we have started a entrepreneurship seminar, and we have also started a company. It's called as Balera Physiopreneur Private Limited. The aim of this company is to teach and promote entrepreneurship among the physiotherapists.